Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Heretic Anthem on drums. To begin, you must first grasp the song's relentless speed, often exceeding 180 beats per minute. This track demands exceptional stamina and precision from drummers. We will break down the core elements, focusing on the foundational techniques required to tackle its intensity. Get ready to push your drumming limits and achieve a powerful, accurate performance. The Heretic Anthem heavily relies on rapid double bass drumming. Start by practicing consistent 16th notes at a comfortable tempo, gradually increasing speed. Focus on achieving equal power and articulation from both feet. Many drummers utilize a heel-toe or swivel technique to sustain these fast patterns without fatigue. Aim for a smooth, machine gun-like sound, ensuring every stroke is clear and impactful. Beyond the double bass, the song features intense blast beats and driving grooves. A key blast beat involves alternating snare and bass drum hits with a constant cymbal pattern. Work on integrating powerful snare accents within the main verses and choruses. Smooth transitions between the fast double bass sections and the more groove-oriented parts are crucial for a cohesive performance. Focus on maintaining a solid, unwavering tempo throughout. The Heretic Anthem also includes specific, impactful drum fills that punctuate the song. Pay close attention to their exact placement and rhythmic feel. Dynamic control is vital. Ensure you can shift between crushing power and more subtle, driving sections. Consistent practice with a metronome is your best friend for building the necessary speed, endurance, and accuracy to truly master this challenging and rewarding drum piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.